Yeah.
What about Grandpa's car?
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, guys.
Oh, now Grandpa's car? Dad! Look what Ethan's doing!
He's doing something to your car.
He's doing something to your car.
What?
You have to go inside.
Uncle, bye.
Show
Bye.
Grandpa! Ethan, show Grandpa.
Papa.
He's coming.
You have to do the lights, buddy. Do the
Here,
lights.
this light.
I like.
Kanina.
Oh, don't forget on your knee.
Honey, kanina.
How does he know that? How does he know that?
From you!
He didn't see me.
Yeah, he did! Like
When?
3 times!
He said he parked behind Grandpa.
You gonna clean your car too? Yeah, get the dust out of that.
Daddy.
It's dirty.
Dirty.
Well, you know, when he grows up, he's gonna be a...
Hold on.
Are you gonna go pick up Uncle Levi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uncle Lee, what?
Go pick up Uncle Levi.
What do you mean pick up Uncle Levi?
He knows what I'm talking about. Reverse. Remember, you have to reverse.
Wow, he knows how to go reverse? Wow, I'm shocked, man.
Okay, you gotta watch. Okay.
Go forward now. Go pick up Uncle Levi.
I'm really
That's
shocked.
a 3-point turn right there.
Wow, I'm shocked.
Okay, bye bye.
Hey, Mom, why'd you lock that?
I didn't do it.
You did it?
I think it.
Who did that?